Hello, I'm going to tell you a little problem I have with the Geeetech A20. The problem I'll be having is a heat creep problem, which is all the filament that's get heated is backing up on inside the tube. I don't know if you can see it, but the little white stuff right there, that's all backed up filament. I tried fixing the problem before by increasing the temperature and also decreasing the temperature, but I have no such luck. So I took a little advice online of applying thermal paste to the heat blocker. At first, it seemed like it worked because I was able to print out a little test print here, just a little stick. It's a little rough, a little ugly, but I got something out. But I'll try to go to a bigger print, that doesn't seem to come out and start to back up again. I started with low temperature at first when I started this print, but no such luck. And I noticed when it started clogging because the gearbox right here that pushes the filament through the tube was making a loud clicking noise as if it was jammed. So I just like to share this little print problem I have. There was no information about this type of printer that has this same issue or what I could find, even on Reddit. So I'm just sharing what I can. Hopefully anybody has this printer have better luck, and stay safe out there.